This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado, the RST package with the 6.2 V8. We just removed the rear resonators on there to give it a little more tone on the back. Took the factory resonators off. Put a Flowmaster Super 44 in place of the factory muffler. Left it all stock up front. Customer just wants a good deep tone out of it. Nothing too crazy. Nothing like straight pipes. Should have a nice smooth tone. Let's see what it sounds like. Start up, the cold start's got a little rasp to it, but kind of settles down after it runs a little bit. Kind of settling down a little bit there as it warms up. There it goes. Idled right down. Got that good old school Flowmaster rumble. Instead of that straight pipe gargle a lot of guys got.